Yeah, welcome to this motivational talk show. My name is MC Hi Parrot. Do you know what? This is a serious issue. I don't know why these days a lot of people slide into my DM talks about my relationship. They're asking me who is my girlfriend. Please let's stop that. It's not proper. Can you imagine me at this age having a girlfriend? It's not normal. It's bad. You know what? Slide into my DM and let's talk about connection. Let's talk about business. Let's talk about how to make a legal money. Let's talk about how to be a successful person in life. Let's talk about how to make our future bright.
Oh, my baby.
Jesus is Lord.
Hello.
We do keep quiet.
Parrot girlfriend.
Go see Joe, I Parrot girlfriend. Can't you see that I'm on the motivational talks? Go, Jared. Kill him. Bye.